Hello everyone, this is Sunny from Bota. Today I'd like to introduce our 6x6 meters welding manipulator, designed for efficient submerged arc welding of large pipes, pressure vessels, and storage tanks. The welding head is equipped with a 400 by 400 millimeters, ensuring smooth and stable movement during welding. Here you can see the front wire feeder with a back wire feeder. When welding smaller vessels, it can easily switch to rear wire feeding, offering greater flexibility for different applications. System is also equipped with a flux recovery unit, which supports continuous submerged arc welding and improves overall efficiency. For the welding power source, we use the Shanghai Lincoln 1000 HD Power Plus, delivering powerful and stable welding performance. A camera installed near the welding torch provides a real-time monitoring of the weld seam. The image is displayed on a 10-inch screen above the control cabinet, allowing operators to clearly observe the welding process. The hand control box allows convenient control of boom lifting, extension, and rotation. This machine features a 6-meter vertical lifting stroke and a 6-meter horizontal boom extension, providing a large working range and excellent flexibility. In addition, the boom traveling trolley supports forward and backward movement with adjustable speed for precision positioning. Our welding manipulator is designed to improve welding efficiency, ensure stable quality, and reduce labor work. If you are looking for a reliable welding automation solution, Bota is ready to support you. Thank you for your watching.